Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, I'm gonna be showing you a video. Yes, I promised in my last video that I'm gonna be showing you how to make an abacha, popularly known as African salad, and that's what I'll be showing you in this video. Like I said, Nigeria is blessed with a lot of good food, and we have been talking about cassava in my previous video. I talked about what you can do with cassava, and I talked about fufu making with cassava. I talked about abacha, and this time I'm be talking about how we prepare it. So guys, I'm going to sit back and watch, and if you enjoy this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Yes, if you are new to this channel, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. And yes, if you are new, like I always say, you are welcome. A big welcome to you. And to my returning subscribers, I say a big thank you to you for always being there. Yes, I love you all guys, and I appreciate you for always being there for me. Yes, a big hug to you all. And yes guys, let's dive into the video. Yeah, dive into it and see. So if you are not used to this particular food, I'm bringing something new to you. And I have my brothers and sisters that are used to this food. Yes, just see how it is being made in my place, and also learn a new method of making it. Yes guys, let's dive into it guys. Yes, let's dive into it. All right guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel with your girl Chinelo. And yes, this is Chinelo's corner. Yes guys, I promised in my last video where we have been talking about cassava that I'm gonna bring to you how abacha, popularly known in the east and known all over as African salad, is being made. And here I am to fulfill that promise. So guys, let's get into it. Okay, here we have the abacha, yeah, and guys, we have here ogiri, yeah, known as ogiri in my place, local style, whatever. We have pepper, red pepper, seasoning. I have salt, yes, salt for taste. Then guys, I have ugba, yeah, I'll be using ugba for it. I have red oil, which is palm oil. I have the vegetable that we're using for it also. Yes, I have sweet corn. I have garden egg. I have bongar fish. I have cow skin, known as kpomo. So I'm gonna be boiling it alongside the ugba. Then also add the sweet corn into it, add seasoning, add salt. Sometimes I like adding pepper too to boil. Then guys, here it is boiling. Yes, we are going to pour this into it like this. And guys, what I'm doing here is known as ncha in my place. We mix this into the water and then sieve it so that will throw out the particles at the bottom, and it is made from palm tree. Yes, then guys, we're going to wash the abacha, not actually washing it, but just put it into warm water, which is, we call it ideji, because in my place we call abacha iu. So do it this way and to make it soft. Yeah, just with warm water, it makes it to be soft. Then let's start. Here we add oil into a pot and then add that ncha you saw me mixing. Before, they normally add potash to it, but because of the fact that potash is not that healthy for consumption, we don't add potash anymore. We'll just add the water from ncha and start mixing. So this will continue for a while. We'll be doing this until we get the quantity that is needed for our abacha. Yes, we'll continue, guys. So let's go on. So guys, like I said, in my place, this is like a welcoming food. As in, this is, you know, there are some people that they are known for a particular thing. My place, if there is a wedding or a burial, you must see this food. There's no two ways about it. Even if there is rice everywhere, there is fufu, you must see abacha there. Like seriously, they is when there is a wedding, this is what they contribute for the person as a support. As in this, they must contribute. You see the women, when they come together, we have our sister that is doing this or is doing that event, they'll contribute this in my place. And like I said, abacha is made from cassava. Yes, abacha is made from cassava. The white use cassava for a lot of things. That's why that name tapioca came up. Yes, they also call abacha tapioca, but generally in Nigeria we know it as abacha. They call it bobozi. In my place we call it iwu. So what we are doing now in my place is called iwun cha. So this particular abacha, there is another way of also preparing it, of which maybe in one of my videos I'm going to make that also. So I'm showing you how to make iwun cha, as it's called in my place, and African salad, as it's popularly called everywhere. Yes, it's popularly called African salad. Now we are adding pepper. As you can see, our red pepper is going in. Then continue turning. Mix together before the next ingredient that will be going into the pot. This, we are using pots here, but in my place we have what is called oku. That's what they use in preparing this in my place. And there's a special spoon that also goes with the oku. Yes, you see, we are using spatula here and pot. This is not what is actually used in making it. So we are in town, so we make use of what is available to us. Yes. So guys, as you can see, we are making it, and our cow skin is cooking. Here we have our cow skin, our ugba, and our sweet corn coupled with the spices to give it the taste that is needed. Yeah, African salad on its way, abacha on its way, and as it's called in my place, iwu. So here the ogiri is going into it as a, what is it called, local seasoning. Yes, these are local seasoning, and it's called ogiri in my place. This thing has an offensive odor, but it has health benefit, as they say, is good for the eye. It is made out of castor seed. We all know what castor seed is. Yes, it is made out of castor seed. Yeah, and here abacha is going in. Yes, and then a vegetable will be going in also. Our vegetable here is garden egg leaf. Yes, garden egg or garden plant leaf. And then salt for taste. And now we're going to be adding our cow skin, everything that is in the pot, cow skin, sweet corn, ugba, and mix everything together. Remember, there's seasoning in this mixture of our cow skin, ugba, and sweet corn. So our abacha is ready, as you can see. Yes, looking beautiful, looking delicious, looking inviting, looking sumptuous. Yes guys, abacha is ready. Yeah guys, if you enjoy watching this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, like, share. Yes, share this video out and tell me what you think in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate. I love you all.